I've had a good number of viewers ask me how the truck project is coming, and it's almost done. There's a few things I still need to do to it, but we've been using the truck for a long time now, and it's been doing really well for us. Now keep in mind, it is just a work truck, and I really didn't want to spend a lot of money, and I didn't. I really just wanted to clean it up and make it look a little more presentable than what it did. Now there is still things that need to be done. I need to change out the bolts in the front bumper and remount the bumper, line it up a little better. The fenders haven't been painted yet. They are aluminum, by the way, but they need painted to match the truck bed. But overall, the truck looks good, it does run great, and it's a perfect work truck for my needs. There have been a few changes on the inside, and again, we tried to do this on a budget. We didn't want to spend a lot of money, but we still wanted to make the truck practical. We did manage to upgrade the radio to an Atoto. It's a fully Android radio. It is quite nice. It also has a reverse camera on it. The camera comes on automatically when you put the vehicle in reverse, and I really like this feature on my other car, so I'm kind of glad to have it on this particular truck. Speaking of cameras, the rearview mirror has also been upgraded with another camera that is up high on the back of the truck. That way you can see the traffic behind you when you're driving forward. The bottom camera will kick off and go into radio mode, but the top one will continue running all the time so you can see what's behind you, and that's because the box on the back is so tall you can't see out the back very well. The truck had a couple of cigarette lighters. It had one down here and it had one here. I replaced the one up here with a USB fast charging style. There's actually a USB-C in the center and two regular USBs on the top and bottom. The bottom of the dash got a new switch panel, which operates all these features that I use on a regular basis. It's just nice to have them at your fingertip. I also have a glow plug bypass because it gets very cold where I live, and sometimes it's nice to hold those glow plugs on just a little bit longer. It helps the truck start. There is another set of USB connections over here for charging, also fast charging, so that you can keep all of your devices charged as you need them. Everything that was broken got fixed. A lot of that was just stuff that just needed repaired, like the locks on the doors didn't work. None of them did. I had to replace the motors, and they all work great now. Of course, we removed the old seats and put seats in with the belts that are integrated, because the ones that hanged from the ceiling kind of got in my way. They cut across my neck and it made it very difficult to get passengers in the back. The seats I replaced these with were old used seats, and they were a little bit worn out, but I was able to find these covers that fit quite nicely. And the back seat got a set of covers as well. These covers are from Auto Anything, and they fit perfectly. The entire flooring got removed. We did put sound dampening sheets on the bottom and the top of the cab, and we replaced it with some vinyl. The vinyl is form-fitting for this particular model of vehicle. And one of my favorite upgrades is this guy here. It's actually the third brake light made by Evo Manufacturing. I really like it. It gave me a place to mount my radio antenna, and it has really nice bright work lights that allow you to work at night. So there you have a fast update on the truck and where we sit with it. Not much left to do to polish it up. We've really been enjoying it. We've been using it as we need it, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos, and at the very least, you might be entertained.